Yesterday we have discussed about the Gandhi Satyagraha. So today again we are going to continue you the Gandhi Satyagraha. So before starting the today's lecture, I would like to ask you a few questions to all of you. Is that do you ever have thought that why Gandhi has talked about the Satyagraha? What was the basic reason behind which Gandhi has tried to use the model of Satyagraha? What was the basic reason behind which the Gandhi has tried to utilize the tools like non-violence, tools like the truth, tools like the self-sacrifice? Why Gandhi has tried to utilize these tools to confront the colonialism? Why Gandhi has utilized these tools? The simple answer is कि Gandhi was very much aware about the fact that there is no method, there is no technique to defeat the evil or to defeat the violence or with the violence. Gandhi was trying to make a powerful, मतलब उस समय जो एक व्यवस्था थी, गांधी जी ने जो सत्याग्रह की जो बात करी उसको हमें समझने की एक जरूरत है कि गांधी जी व्हाट गांधी वाज ट्राइंग टू से दैट हाउ वी कैन मेक अ पावरफुल टू अ इंडिविजुअल. गांधी एक व्यक्ति को शक्तिशाली बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. गांधी वाज ट्राइंग दैट हाउ आई कैन मेक अ इंडिविजुअल पर्सन एज अ powerful person. A powerful, I mean to say that how a person can without fighting other person, without fighting with opponent person in the model of violence, we can win. Because Gandhi was aware about the fact that violence is not the solution. मतलब कि लड़ाई से कुछ हम जीत नहीं सकते. लड़ाई हमेशा युद्ध या तो जो violence जो टूल है उससे हम किसी को जीता नहीं आ सकता. हरा सकते हो, but that will be only for the certain period of the time. For example, in this classroom, if there is a fight will takes place between two students and both of them will utilize the violence tool, what will happen? There may be chances that one person may defeat the other person, but one thing is quite correct here is that the one person who has defeated the other has never won the heart of opponent. So Gandhi was trying that to provide a model. Gandhi was trying to provide a certain kind of things through which we can not only defeat the other but we can also win the हार्ट ऑफ द अदर पर्सन. तो गांधी दूसरे को हराने की नहीं बात कर रहे थे, दूसरे को दिल को जीतने की भी बात कर रहे थे. तो गांधी जी का जो सत्याग्रह था वो एक ऐसा मेथड था कि जिसके द्वारा गांधी जी एक तरह से व्यक्ति को स्वयं में भी आजाद करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. मींस गांधी वाज ट्राइंग टू लिबरेट टू द इंडिविजुअल इटसेल्फ. On the other hand, Gandhi was trying to convert the other. Means Gandhi was trying to trump over the other or the opposition, like the colonialism or like the corrupt mind. So Gandhi was trying to give a method. Gandhi was trying to give a certain kind of practice, certain kind of things through which we can not only defeat the other, we cannot win the heart of other, but we can also purify the self. So in this regard, yesterday we have discussed about the Gandhi has talked about the principles. There are basically majorly three principles are there through which Gandhi has said that we can achieve the satyagraha, to hold on the truth, or to win the heart of opponent, and to win the uh, others, or to win the person who is fighting against you or who is not loving you. So Gandhi was trying to give the three important principles. The three important principles which we had yesterday discussed is that always be truthful to yourself. Means you need to, all the individual, whatsoever condition can come, whatsoever the situation can come, you have to follow the footprint or you have to follow the path of truth. Because once a person is following the model of truth, then the person is not utilizing the मॉडल टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड प्रमोट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ सेल्फ. मतलब गांधी जी कहते हैं जब कोई व्यक्ति सत्य की बात करता है और सत्य के रास्ते पे चलता है, इसका मतलब ये है कि वो सबसे पहली बात वो अपने स्वार्थों की पूर्ति ही नहीं करने में लगा हुआ है, वो बल्कि एक ऐसे रास्ते पे चल रहा है जहां पे वो दूसरे का भी भला हो सके, समाज का भी भला हो सके। तो गांधी जी उन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उन सब चीजों की बात करते हैं। गांधी जी का कहना था कि जो सत्य है वही भगवान है, बिकॉज Gandhi was trying to play a role where all the person in the society can live in a very cordial manner, in a very socialized manner. So that's why Gandhi has talked about a concept where that we can we can love each other, and that can be only possible with the model of the truth. So Gandhi has given the idea about the truth. So yesterday's lecture we have discussed. Apart from that, what Gandhi has said, that violence is not the tool, मतलब कि जो अहिंसा हिंसा है, हिंसा के द्वारा किसी को जीता नहीं जा सकता। अगर हमें सामने वाले को जीतना है या तो किसी को मतलब कि किसी को हमेशा के लिए जीतना है, तो हमेशा उसको जीतने के लिए हमें अहिंसा का रास्ता अपनाना पड़ेगा। मतलब कि व्हाट गांधी हैज सेड दैट इफ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द वायलेंस, violence is not the solution of any other violence is not the solution of anything. Violence always create or brings the violence, and it never with the help of violence we can only make our evils or enemies, but we can never make the our friend or our generate the love for the opponent. So what Gandhi has talked about, that non-violence is a kind of prayer, मतलब कि एक नॉन वायलेंस सबके लिए बस का नहीं है। इसको करने के लिए व्यक्ति को सहन शक्ति बनाना पड़ता है, व्यक्ति को अपने आप में पावरफुल बनाना पड़ता है। तो व्हाट गांधी हैज सेड कि जो अहिंसा है, ये एक व्यक्ति को बस उसको आंतरिक रूप से ताकतवर नहीं करता, बट इट गिव्स it generates the power, it generates the love for the others. Means for example, as I had discussed in the initial in the class, that if there is fight between the two students, what will happen if both of them will use the violence? There is no chance that you can win, or any student can win the heart of opponent. But whereas if one person has started using the violence, other person will say that okay, if you think that after beating me you can win, or you are the correct person, okay, you can follow all the things. What will happen? You will make a semicolon in front of the student whosoever is fighting against you, that yeah, what she's saying, am I wrong or am I correct? So what you are doing, you are giving a pause to the person, and after a certain point of time, the person will try to think himself or herself that whatever they see or he is doing is correct or incorrect. So what you are doing, you are trying to make a question the opponent mind, that whatever activity the opponent person is doing is correct or incorrect, or that what is who is true. So after a certain period of time, you will realize that you are not only going to win the heart of opponent, but it is also the trump over the no violence over the by the non-violence. Means the non-violence is the solution of all the problems. Violence is not the solution of any problem. Violence always generates the evil. Violence always generates the kind of enemy. It never makes a friend. So Gandhi was trying to not only to create a human being, Gandhi was not only trying to create a individual, but the Gandhi was also trying to create a certain kind of society where they should have a kind of love, affection, or friend or brotherhood kind of feeling should be there. So that's why Gandhi has talked about ahimsa, and Gandhi has said that ahimsa is not the easy task, but it is a kind of very tough practice. So in this slide, we can see that ahimsa is the model through which we can achieve the what you call, we can win over the other, or we can not will only win over the other, but we can make the individual in a more what you call, purify the individual mind, body and the soul. मतलब कि एक व्यक्ति को उसकी आत्मा को प्यूरिफाई करने का एक मेथड भी है, जो गांधी सत्याग्रह की बात करते हैं. So Gandhi has also said that the satyagraha is also the method of tapasya. Means we need to do the self-sacrifice to purify our mind. In the model of satyagraha, what Gandhi has said, that we need to follow the model of what do you call, we should have to do the fasting. Means we should not have to eat the food. As yesterday's lecture we have discussed that all of us are always trying to collect the food as much as possible. Why? Because we are seeing that food is the most important thing. So what Gandhi has tried to make attack, Gandhi has said that once we may try to sacrifice our most important thing, that is the what you call the self-interest. So Gandhi was trying to question the self-interest. We should not have to run behind the self-interest to gather the money, to gather the foods, बट गांधी वॉज ट्राइंग टू मेक अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. मतलब कि गांधी, अगर हम जो फूड को करते, तपस्या करते हैं, या तो हम भूख हड़ताल करते हैं, द हंगर स्ट्राइक करते हैं, उसका पीछे कारण क्या होता है? उसका ये होता है कि व्यक्ति जो है वो जो खाने के पीछे जो लड़ाई हो रही है, जो खाने अनाज के पीछे लड़ाई हो रही है, उन सब चीजों की जगह वो अब व्यक्ति अपने स्वार्थ को नहीं देख करके वो अपने मन को पवित्र करने की कोशिश करता था. बिकॉज all of us are fighting here and there for the food. So Gandhi was trying to provide a method through which we can purify the minds of the individual, and the person can overcome from the self-interest towards the interest of others. तो गांधी जी का कहना था इसका दो काम होता है. मतलब जो हम हंगर स्ट्राइक करते हैं उसका दो चीज होता है. पहला तो होता है कि we are pressurizing the opponent or we are pressurizing the others, that the other person can think over the decision without harming. So we are trying to convert the heart of opponent. But on the other hand, what Gandhi has said, that it is a self-suffering, and due to that what we do, we try to purify our mind. मतलब हम अपनी आत्मा की शुद्धि करते हैं, अपने दिलों को शुद्ध करते हैं. इसीलिए हिंदू धर्म में आपका देखोगे बहुत बार, जो या तो अदर रिलीजन में भी देखोगे, कैसे हम फास्टिंग की बात करते हैं, कैसे हम अनाज को त्याग करने की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि हर व्यक्ति अनाज के पीछे लड़ रहा है. जहां भी आप देखोगे कि हर व्यक्ति मतलब कि खाने के पीछे, या तो ब्रेड बटर एंड होम एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, द पर्सन आर दे आर रनिंग बिहाइंड दैट. सो गांधी वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक अटैक ऑन दीज थिंग्स. सो वी कैन सी that Gandhi's model of these what you call, Gandhi has tried to give these three important basic principles through which we can identify the सत्याग्रह. सो अगर हम तीनों चीजों का देखें तो कल के क्लास में भी हमने देखा था कि कैसे जो सत्य है, सत्य से हम क्या करते हैं, सत्य से हम अपने स्वयं की जो हितों की बात है, जो सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट की बात है, वी ट्राई टू ओवरकम फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. We try to make move towards the society. We try to move towards the others. We also try to see the interest of the others rather than the self interest of the self. So in this light, we can see that how Gandhi has tried to make the truth. Then the truth can be achieved only through the model of non-violence. That means if you are using the violence, if you are using any tool where we are harming the other person, then it means that we are protecting and promoting the self-interest. So Gandhi was trying to provide a tool like the non-violence, through which we can not only increase the interest of others, but we can make a very peaceful and love-based society, or friendly-based society. And the last, the Gandhi has talked about that we need to do the self-suffering. The self-suffering is not only helping the individual to purify their mind, but it is also helping the others to think over the decision and to convert the mind of the others. So we can say that all three things are interrelated. So we have discussed that Gandhi has tried to talked about that Satya, Ahimsa, Tapasya. These are the few important principles. So Gandhi was trying to talk about that thing. So what Gandhi has said, that सत्याग्रह is not the physical force, means इसमें हम शारीरिक चीजों का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं. It is a kind of what you call self exercise, where we are giving pain to our body, where we are trying to purify our soul with the model of truth, with the model of non-violence. So Gandhi has talked about in that manner. So मतलब गांधी जी समझ रहे थे कि अगर हम ब्रिटिशर्स के अपोज में, या तो जो भी कॉलोनियल पावर है उनके अपोज में अगर हम युद्ध करेंगे, इफ यू कैन यूज द वायलेंस अगेंस्ट दोस कॉलोनियल पावर और अगेंस्ट दोस करप्ट माइंड, दैट इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन. मतलब कि उससे हम उनको जीत नहीं सकते. इससे दो चीज होगा. यू कैन इमेजिन, अगर हम जो भारतीय या तो साउथ अफ्रीकन थे, अगर वो ब्रिटिशर्स का पोस्ट में लड़ते, वेपन्स उठाते, क्या होता, थोड़े मान लो एक टाइम के हरा भी देते, बट गांधी है सेड कि वो हराना हमेशा के लिए हराना नहीं होता। आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम दे मस्ट हैव आल्सो अगेन दे मस्ट हैव डन द अटैक। तो वो लड़ाई हमेशा चलते रहती। तो गांधी जी का था कि वो लड़ाई एक तरह से हमेशा के लिए समाप्त करना था, पहला। दूसरा, गांधी जी का मानना था कि ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ऑन दिस अर्थ आर वेरी गुड सोल और नोबल सोल्स आर देयर, इट इज द करप्ट माइंड, जो हमारी करप्ट सोच है उसको बदलने की जरूरत है। तो गांधी वाज ट्राइंग टू अटैक on the corrupt mind and the modernity which has or the modern education which Gandhi has tried to target, where all the persons are trying to protect and promote their self interest। तो गांधी जी का जो लक्ष्य था कि कैसे सभी व्यक्ति को एक तरह से उनको अपने आप में शुद्धिकरण करना था, मतलब कि सभी व्यक्ति को अपने बारे में ही ना सोच करके दूसरों के बारे में सोचने के लिए भी प्रेरित करना था। तो गांधी जी का जो सत्याग्रह था वो एक मीन्स इट वाज नॉट द फाइट अगेंस्ट द कोलोनियलिज्म, but it was the fight against the corrupt mind, it was the fight against the corrupt soul, it was the fight against the corrupt individual, and it was fight for to how to make a individual with the various skills or various activity various attributes where the person can love the other, where can person can sacrifice सेल्फ फॉर द अदर्स। मतलब कि वो एक ऐसे व्यक्ति की निर्माण करने की प्रक्रिया कर रहे थे कि सत्याग्रह से उनका दो चीज था, एक तो था कि कैसे वो जो वायलेंस है उसका आंसर दें, दूसरी जगह वो एक व्यक्ति को निर्माण करने की बात कर रहे थे। मींस इफ यू कैन सी द गांधी वाज ट्राइंग टू प्रोवाइड अ टूल थ्रू विच वी कैन नॉट ओनली purify the individual but we can also purify the society, or we can make a society where all the individual, all the person can live in a very love manner, in a very friendly manner, in a very kind of brotherhood kind of thing। तो गांधी जी का जो सत्याग्रह का जो मॉडल था, जो प्रैक्टिस थ्योरी थी, वो एक तरह से करप्ट माइंड को बदलने की थी, एक करप्ट सोसाइटी को बदलने की थी, और एक इंडिविजुअल को बनाने की कोशिश थी। सो दैट्स व्हाई द गांधी हैज यूज्ड द मॉडल ऑफ सत्याग्रह, एंड गांधी हैज सेड दैट वायलेंस इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनीथिंग, वायलेंस और द अनट्रूथ और what you call the cruelty against any person is not what you call the solution of anything, but the truth, the real answer is that we can win the heart of opponent, we can win the heart of opposite person only through the model of love, only through the model of self-sacrifice, only through the model of non-violence। So Gandhi has talked about in that manner, and that's why we can see that Gandhi has used the model of Satyagraha not only in the South Africa but also in India while the time of struggle against the Britishers and a struggle against the racism in the South Africa। So we can see that how, and most or both the periods, either in the South Africa or either it was in the India, both the places the model of Satyagraha was quite successful, and we can see that how the Satyagraha is still relevant। And for example, yesterday we have discussed that how the farmers are protesting in the model of peaceful protest, they are trying to follow the footprints of Gandhi। It is not only about in the India but across the world, many people they are trying to follow the footprints of Gandhi's model of Satyagraha, because the model of fasting, hunger strike is not only to purify the soul of purify the opponent person's soul, but it is also a method to purify our soul, how we can overcome from the self-interest to move towards the interest of the other person। So what he has talked about, that all satyagrahi, whenever a person is following the satyagraha, never lose the hope and the belief and the cooperation and the society cooperation and the coordination can do the work। So this thing Gandhi has talked about. What are those major problems are there in the satyagraha? Many point of time the people say that the satyagraha is not successful. The Gandhi has said the satyagraha is never been unworkable, it always in work. It may be the problem with the individual, because most of the individuals are trying to protect and promote the interest of self, that point of time we may see that it may not perform the work, it may not do the activity, or it may not function fully, because the some person must be trying to protect and promote the interest of self. So Gandhi was talking about in that manner. So that was the basic thing which Gandhi has discussed. So meanwhile, before discussing his practical things, if there is any questions or queries are there in the classroom, so you can ask me. उनके प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट को डिस्कस करने से पहले अगर किसी कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है, कोई क्वेश्चन है, तो आप पूछ सकते हो मेरे से. किसी कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आया, गांधी जी का सत्याग्रह की फिलॉसफी क्या थी, उनका बेसिक मॉडल क्या था, और कोई भी चीज समझ में नहीं आया, तो आप पूछ सकते हो. सुहानी, शाहाना, रंजीत.
No, sir, everything is clear.
Okay. Ranjit? Ranjit, can you listen me? Your voice is not audible. Okay. तो मेरे यहाँ पे एक बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है आप लोग के लिए, बिकॉज इट विल टेक अनदर हाफ एन आवर. So I have one very basic question. Do you think that the Gandhi Satyagraha was based on the individual or was based on the country specific? मीन्स गांधी जी का जो सत्याग्रह था वो इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर था कि एक कंट्री के स्पेसिफिक था? I have this question to all of you.
It's individual.
Okay. Ranjit? Shayani? Sahani? हाँ?
For all.
See, मैंने जैसा कहा कि means Gandhi, yes, you are quite correct that Gandhi was trying to follow the model of Satyagraha. That was not only to purify the individual, but the Gandhi's model of Satyagraha was also based on the principle of two principles were there. What are those two important principles were there? Gandhi was trying to make a society where all the person can live in a very love manner, means the person can sacrifice their self-interest, because if any society, any person is living in the model of protecting and promoting the self-interest, so that society can never be function, because all the persons are trying to protect and promote the self-interest. There may be nepotism, may be there, the society may collapse. So first of all, Gandhi was trying to create a certain kind of society where we can solve the problem of others, because if we can see, if any person can see the self problem in the problem of others, that can make a very good society, and the society is a very important tool. But what Gandhi has found in this whole thing, that before creating the society, we need to create or craft the individual. We need to purify the minds of individual, because the society cannot be built, the society cannot be constructed without purifying the minds or purifying the or what you call the mind of the individual. So Gandhi has said कि हमें सबसे पहले हर एक व्यक्ति को उसके माइंड को प्यूरिफाई करना होगा, उसके थॉट्स को प्यूरिफाई करना होगा, तभी जाके हम एक अच्छे समाज की नींव रख सकते हैं, एक अच्छे समाज को स्थापित कर सकते हैं, एक अच्छे वर्ल्ड की संकल्पना कर सकते हैं. मींस इफ यू वांट टू एस्टैब्लिश अ वेरी lovable, very friendly world, or very cooperative kind of world, that can only be possible once we can make individual best, or we can make an individual who doesn't have any kind of self-interest, the person who doesn't have the kind of what you call the principle like the protection and promotion of the interest, the killing of others. So Gandhi was trying to purify the individual mind, purify, craft the individual. After that, what he has said, that Satyagraha will work in a two way. First, it will purify the individual. On the other hand, the person who is following the tools like non-violence, the person who is utilizing the tool of truth, it will also purify the society. So Gandhi's model of satyagraha was working in a two-way manner. One hand, it was purifying the minds of the individual. On the other hand, it was trying to purify the what you call the society, corrupt society, and it was trying to make a society which is based on the cooperation, which is based on the love, which is based on the brotherhood. So this thing has been discussed by the Gandhi in the model of सत्याग्रह. सो गांधी जी का जो सत्याग्रह था वो इन्हीं सब तीन चीजों पे था कि कैसे एक व्यक्ति का निर्माण करें और व्यक्ति के निर्माण के साथ साथ हम एक अच्छे जो समाज है, अच्छे राज्य है, उसका भी निर्माण करें. सो आप उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उसको देख सकते हो. इसीलिए गांधी जी ने जो सत्याग्रह है इसको दोनों जगह अप्लाई किया था. गांधी जी ने सत्याग्रह को साउथ अफ्रीका में भी अप्लाई किया. देयर गांधी हैज आल्सो अचीव द सक्सेस against the racism, against the racial discrimination against the Indians and the South Africans, and it was very successful. And same thing in here in India was there, that Gandhi's model was satyagraha was successful enough. One hand, the satyagraha, Gandhi satyagraha has not only broke the British law of the Salt March, but it has also made a kind of what do you call the to remove the illegal tax system. That it was the protest against the illegal tax system. So once I will discuss you all the physical all the what do you call the practical aspect, what are those activities has been done by Gandhi, then we can discuss it in the furthermore. So this thing was there. So now all of you can write it down the question here. What do you understand by the term satyagrah? What do you understand by the term satyagrah? What do you understand by the term satyagrah? Examine the principles of Gandhi's satyagrah. Examine the principles of Gandhi's satyagrah. Examine the principles of Gandhi's satyagrah. So this question you can prepare it, and